Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Lagrange's interpolation formula. In this, I will discuss another type where we require to find interpolating polynomial and not the value of the function. Therefore, how to find out that interpolating polynomial using Lagrange's interpolation formula? For that, try to discuss this problem. Find f of x using Lagrange's interpolation formula for the given data. Here values of x and corresponding f of x. Values of x are 0, 1, 4, 5. Distance is not equispace. And the corresponding f of x has 4, 3, 24 and 39. For easy calculation, I will mention the first point as x1, second as x2, third as x3 and fourth as x4, and the corresponding values as f1, f2, f3 and f4. And then applying Lagrange's interpolation formula, we get here f of x is equal to, as I had discussed in earlier two videos, first time we neglect the first point and write down the product for the remaining as x minus x2, x minus x3 and x minus x4, last point, divided by neglected point. That neglected point is here x1. From that we subtract x2, x1 minus x3 and x1 minus x4 into f1 plus second time we neglect second point x2 and the product for the remaining as x minus x1, x minus x3, x minus x4 whole divided by the neglected point. Neglected point is here x2. Therefore, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, x2 minus x4 into corresponding value of the function f2 plus third time we neglect third point x3 and product as remaining product for the remaining point as x minus x1, then x minus x2, third point we have to neglect, and lastly x minus x4 whole divided by neglected point is here x3. Therefore, from that we subtract x1, x3 minus x2 and x3 minus x4. It's very easy to develop that formula. Remember the technique, how we can write that formula. Plus fourth time, neglecting fourth point x4, we get that product as x minus x1, next x minus x2, next x minus x3 whole divided by neglected point is here x4. Therefore, from that we subtract x1, then x4 minus x2 and lastly x4 minus x3. The terms with the same suffix in numerator and denominator, second term with same suffix, into f4 corresponding value. Then, as we are not required to find the value of f at some point, that x we have to keep as it is, and therefore substituting the values we get x minus x2, the value of x2 is 1, then x minus x3 4, and lastly x minus x4 x minus 5 divided by x1, the value of x1 is 0, therefore it is 0 minus 1, 0 minus 4 and 0 minus 5. Multiplied by f1. f1 is 4. This is the first term. Then second term, x minus x1. x1 is 0. Then x minus x minus x1. Then x minus x3. X minus x3. x3 is 4. X minus 5 divided by neglected point is here 1. Therefore 1 minus 0, 1 minus 4 and 1 minus 5. Multiplied by f2. f2 is 3. This is the second term. Then we develop the third term. We write down the third term as plus. This time we have to neglect third point, that is x 4. Therefore it is x minus 0, x minus 1 and x minus 5 divided by neglected point is a 4. Therefore 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 5. Multiplied by f3. Value of f3 is 24. 4 times. Neglecting last point, that is 5. We get that product as x minus 0, then x minus 1, then x minus 4 whole divided by neglected point is here 5. Therefore from that we have to subtract 0, then 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 multiplied by f4. f4 is 39. Therefore substituting the values we get this step. Then next step is the multiplication of the 3 terms. Directly it is not possible to get the multiplication of 3 terms. Therefore we do take the multiplication of any 2 terms and then multiply for the remaining term. Therefore I will rewrite this as, I am keeping x minus 1 as it is, then taking a product of x minus 4 into x minus 5. That product is x into x, we get x square, minus 5x minus 4x we get minus 9x, and minus 4 into minus 5, 5 4 is 20 plus 20 divided by minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. That product is with minus sign, 5 4 is 20 into 4. Simplification. Next, x minus 0 we get x, and the product of these 2 terms, once again x into x we get x square, minus 4x minus 5x we get minus 9x as a sum, and 5 4 is 20 minus 20 and minus, it become plus 20 whole divided by 1 into minus 3 into minus 4. Therefore minus and that minus it become plus. 1 into 3 we get 3 and 4 3 is 12. Therefore it is divided by 12 into 3. Next, plus x minus 0 we get x. A product of these 2 terms, it is once again x into x we get x square, minus x minus 5x, that product, that sum is minus 6x, and minus 5 into minus 1 we get plus 5 divided by 4 minus 1 3, 4 3 is 12 into minus 1, therefore it is minus 12 into 24 as it is. Next, lastly, that product is plus x minus 0 we get x. Product of these two terms, that x into x we get x square, minus x minus 4x minus 5x, 4 ones are 4 plus 4 divided by 5 4s are 20 into 1 we get 20 multiplied by 39, and then we have to simplify it further by multiplying the terms inside. We get simplifying further, it is 4 divided by 20, 4 5s are 20, therefore it is minus 1 by 5 multiplied by taking a term by term product, x into x square we get x cube, then minus 9x square, then plus 20x, then multiplying by minus 1 inside we get minus x square, then minus plus 9x, and minus 1 into plus 20 we get that product as minus 20. This is the simplification. Then 3 by 12 we get 1 by 4 into multiplying by x inside we get x into x square as x cube, then minus 9x square and plus 20x. Uh, 24 divided by 12 we get 2 with minus sign, therefore minus 2 multiplied by x into x square x cube minus 6x square plus 5x and 39 by 20 product x into x square x cube minus 5x square and plus 4x. Simplifying it further by adding similar terms. Therefore, highest term is of order 3, that is x cube. Therefore, taking x cube common from all these 4 terms, we get the coefficient is minus 1 by 5. So here it is 1 by 4 plus, here it is minus 2, and here it is 39 by 20 into x cube then taking the x square common from all the 4 terms, here it is minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 into minus 1 by 5, 10 by 5 we get 2 minus 9 by 4 minus plus 12 and 5 for the 20, 39 by 4. It is with minus sign. Taking the addition of x, here it is 29x, this 29 into minus 1 by 5 minus 29 by 5, 20 by 4, 5, 5 to the 10 minus 10, and 4 into 1 by 20, 1 by 5, therefore 39 by 5 into x, and then adding the constant term, it is minus 20 into minus 1 by 5, we get plus 4. No constant term in the remaining terms, only one constant term, that is plus 4. Minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 39 by 20. By calci or by calculator, we get that addition as 0 into x cube. 2 minus 9 by 5 plus 12 minus 39 by 4 is coming as plus 2 into x square. Then minus 29 by 5 plus 39 by 5, that sum is 10 by 5 means 2, and minus 5, 2 minus 5 we get, and plus 4. And therefore that polynomial by Lagrange's interpolation formula, first term is 0 means we have directly quadratic term 2x square minus 3x and plus 4, a quadratic equation is the required f of x obtained by Lagrange's interpolation formula. We cross check whether obtained answer is correct or not. If we put the value of x as 0, we must get corresponding value as 4. Therefore 0, this one 0 plus 4, we get 4 as the correct value. I will check for the one more. When x is 1, we get 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 and plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4, we get the second point as x 3. Like this we can cross check it. Means whatever the function we are getting is the correct one obtained by Lagrange's interpolation formula. Therefore remember there are two different types of problem. First type, where we require to find the function value at some intermediate point for the given data, and the second type we require to find a interpolating polynomial like this. Okay, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to get notification for my new videos. Thank you.